Yes, let's settle down. Brush your teeth. Pajamas.
Ah, you can't catch me.
I can.
Good grief, what's going on? Log.
Watch it, Den. Red.
It's time to go to...
Five little alpha blocks jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
I can't go to sleep without my teddy.
T-E-D held hands and said,
Ted.
one little alpha block went off to bed.
Four little alpha blocks jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. I need a cuddle before I can sleep.
H-U-G held hands and said,
Hug.
one more alpha block went off to bed.
Three little alpha blocks jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head.
Actually, I just can't get to sleep.
N-A-P held hands and said,
Nap.
one more alpha block went off to bed.
Two little alpha blocks jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
C-O-T held hands and said,
Cot.
one more alpha block went off to bed.
One little alpha block jumping on the bed. That's me. I fell off and bumped my head.
I need a kiss. Good night. L-I-P-S held hands and said, lips. No more alpha blocks jumping on the bed. Night, night, alpha blocks. Alpha blocks!
I.
Light.
We're lovely and light.
That wasn't right. We're still stuck on the tightrope.
Next, rescuer.
I.
Night. Typical. Who turned the lights off? Terrible. Try again.
We must get it right.
Or to the rescue, me hearties.
I.
Right. We have to get it right this time.
But what's the right thing to do?
Right. That must be right.
We got it right.
Alpha blocks. A round of applause for I-G-H. Everyone, one more trick.
All right. Ready, me hearties?
I.
right. Oh, right.
Alpha blocks! If your camp is in a mist, then you must not roam. You know you might get lost. Perhaps it's time to go on home. Can't find your way, we'll get you home today. So make your way down to the shore. You can do much more with 4.
G. Oh.
Gulp! When a problem makes you gulp and you're stranded on the sand, you can get a little help, and soon you'll be back on dry land. 2's company and 3's a crowd, but nobody's keeping score. We're gonna sing it now, we're gonna sing it loud. You can do so much more. Yes, you can do much more with 4. You can do much more with 4. Alpha blocks! Lap.
Can you place your hands upon your lap? Raise them in the air and clap. You can make a noise. It's one of life's great joys to make a difference. You don't have to be a winner or a superstar. You can change the world just by being who you are. Clap. Slap. Flap. Clap your hands, slap your thigh, flap your wings and pretend to fly. Come on, Kay. Skip. Slip. Flip. Skip downhill, slip and slide, flip right over, it's a fairground ride. Clap, slap, flap, skip, slip, flip.
Change it.
Clap.
Rearrange it.
Slap.
Add one and take one away.
Flap, flap.
New faces.
Skip.
Swap places.
Slip.
Every single one of us has a part to play.
Flip.
No matter what they say.
Ram.
Have you ever ridden on a ram?
I prefer to take the
Tram.
Anyone could see. Just by being me, I made a difference.
Everyone can do it.
Go on, have a bash.
Even tiny pebbles can make a splash. You don't have to be a winner or a superstar. You can change the world just by being who you are. Alpha blocks!
At last!
We need to take this food on a picnic, but we've got nothing to carry it in.
Lunch? Nothing to carry it in. You need a handbag. No, a flower pot. No, a rope.
Look out for the banana skin!
Ow! My head. Relax, X-Fans. I'm back. And I know how to fix this. Box.
Well, this box is full of bandages. That's no good for carrying food.
It does have a cool plus on it, though.
Plus Man would know how to help us.
He's my hero.
Plus Man? What an extremely silly name. What exciting things can he do?
He can link things together. He's lovely.
I can do that without even flexing a muscle.
No, you can't.
Lunch plus box makes...
Lunch.
Box.
Lunchbox.
Brilliant. It's good to have you back, old buddy.
I never doubted you, X.
Banana.
Alpha Blocks.
With IGH, you're gonna see the
Right.
Stay right here, 'cause tonight is a party.
Night.
I. Did you say I? We all did. Only I can say I. I. When I'm with E,
It's as easy as making up.
I, pie. I go with E like a clown with a trick boat. I,
Tie.
cross my heart, we'd never tell her. I,
Lie.
I am a bright blue butterfly. I am made of stinky cheese. I don't need friends. I mean, nobody likes me. Somebody likes me.
We all do. You're our friend. It's true.
We? I
Like you.
and I like you too. I. And when Magic E does his magic on me, then it's time for me to
Shine.
I'm staying alive. I will survive.
And together we'll be
I
fine.
I feel fine. This is fun. I like sharing my name. Everybody, let's dance. We're IGH, we say I. When I'm with E,
We say I.
and when Magic E does his magic on me, we say I. Yes, you can be my friends. No word of a lie, friends. And with you by my side, we're gonna be flying high.
Alpha Blocks.
Listen, lovely letters. Let's just hold hands and...
No.
Or. Law. What is a law? A law is a rule that nobody can break. If you do, I will arrest you because I am in charge of the law. And my first law is... keep off the grass. I arrest you in the name of the law.
Oh, he's not on the grass. Lawn.
Oh, he is now. I arrest you in the name of the lawn.
Oh.
I mean law. He's an outlaw. Arrest him! arrest you in the name of the poor.
Oh!
I mean law. No bouncy balls. No showers on the stairs. No pretending to be police.
Oh!
Hey, W. O. Draw. Let's investigate, shall we? Bouncy ball. Tick. Shower on the stairs. Tick. Pretending to be police. Tick. I arrest A.U. in the name of the...
Pineapples! Perfect presents for pals who pick play fights.
And nothing that begins with P. Lovely letters. Let's hold hands.
Oh! Paul!
Hello, everybody. My name is Paul. P-A-U-L. I arrest me for beginning with P. No, I don't. After them. No unicorns. No jelly monsters. No ghosts.
Oh! Hunt!
I am haunting you. I arrest myself for being a ghost.
No such thing as ghosts.
I unarrest myself. After them. No hills. No sky. No astronauts. Look out.
Oh! Launch!
3, 2, 1, launch!
I arrest myself. In the name of the law. I know. Let's play cops and robbers. You're it.
Alpha Blocks!
Howdy. Howdy, miss.
Ow!
Loud. Shh. Let's go. Howdy. Shh. What's that? It sounds like a rattlesnake. Howdy.
Ow!
Sound. Yee-haw! Gotcha! Looks like we got ourselves the sound of a cow. Let's find us a real one. Howdy.
Ow!
Found. Moo! I think we finally found ourselves a cow. Yee-haw! Gotcha! Found you! Good job, friends. One cow rounded up, 999 cows to go.
999?
Yep, like I told you, it's the 1,000-cow ranch. I've got 1 cow, but I need 1,000. Rattlesnake!
Howdy.
Ow!
Ah.
1,000! 1,000 cows.
Yee-haw!
We can laugh.